Welcome to another Hyper Content and Digital Asset Management Server screencast. This time I want to talk about the multi-channel publishing and the social media sharing. Multi-channel publishing and scheduled publishing, as you find on the website, is a process where you publish one object and at the same time it will be published to different targets. Scheduled publishing, of course, means you just publish your object at a certain date and time. Social media sharing means that you want to publish or share actually your asset or your content with different social media platforms like Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on. Okay, let's take a look at the system. And now let's take a look at the content management part of the system. So we have here publication. And if we open a page, we will see we can change the content, as you have maybe already seen on another screencast. So you can change the content of your page, but it's very important at the end, when you want to have all the new content live on your website, you need to publish it. So the publishing process is very important in order to get the new content on your website or on your intranet, extranet publication. And here's also the scheduling feature, so you can set a certain date and time for your publishing process. So this is what you have seen already when it comes to HTML pages. So an HTML page will be created for you. When we take a look at the web to print feature, there's also a screencast about the web to print. It's pretty much the same. You need to publish a document in order to create a PDF file. And now think about combining, let's say, publishing an HTML document and publishing a PDF document at the same time. Then we're talking about multi-channel publishing. So let's click on the meta information. And if the template provides you with a multi-channel publishing, means that it supports HTML, it supports PDF creation, or it supports the publishing, for instance, to Facebook. So if you say yes to those publishing targets and you publish, it will be an HTML document created, it will be a PDF file created, and the content will be published to Facebook. So this is multi-channel publishing. But now you will think, okay, what about the assets? Are we limited there? So let's close this and take a look to a video. We open the video and what do we see? We see if the sharing, the social media sharing is of course installed and enabled, you will see this feature here. So you can share your content with different social media platforms, for instance, with Twitter. Keep in mind that each platform has different regulations. So in Twitter, you are very limited when it comes to characters. So you just have, you see here, only 47 characters left from a message. So the system will take the content provided here. Of course, you can change it before you really post it to the social media platform. It also depends on the platform because there might be different fields presented to you depending on the platform. So this is social media sharing. So actually you can share it with different platforms. Then there's also a YouTube connector. There's a difference because when you share a content or like this video on, for instance, Twitter, it will be a link that will be provided. Actually, it will not be the video that you have to upload actually. It's just a small piece of text pretty much that you put on Twitter or on Facebook or another platform. So the video itself is still in the system, and the advantage is also you can still have all the access statistics. When you click on the information tab again, you can click on access statistics and see what is going on actually with your video. But YouTube is a little bit different. YouTube requires you to really upload your video. So you need to upload the full video in order to have it on YouTube. a link won't work. So if we want to upload to YouTube, we click on the YouTube button. Again, the existing metadata will be provided to you. You can change it again. You can then select the YouTube category. You can say we want to have it for public or unlisted or private video. We leave public. You can add some more text if you want to. And then you click on upload. So the video, which is about 9 megabytes, will be uploaded. Okay, that's it. We can close it. What you will see after you uploaded the video, there will be a YouTube link that directly leads you to the YouTube video, which is still in process. So YouTube is still working on the video. It's not finished so far, but here you will see the video and you will of course also see your likes, your comments, and so on. So this is the YouTube and social media integration. But you're not only limited to those, let's say, standard features of the system. Again, you will see there's a publish button here that's activated. So in the template, which is pretty much just a definition of the fields, you're not limited to those content fields. You can also use scripts, means, for instance, the HyperCMS API. So you can connect to FTP server and publish the video or the file, the asset, to this FTP server. Or you can use the SDK of the social media platforms to also publish it independently from those features. Let's say you're not activating those features for your users. You just want them to publish an asset, and during the publishing process, certain kind of information will be published to certain social media platforms. You can see that if you click or if you go down there, you see there's an option publish to FTP server. So let's say if you activate this, it will be published to an FTP server. So the video will be located somewhere else. Now we say we want to publish it right now. And now we can take a look if the video is already on our FTP server. So let's take a look at this. This was the name of the file. And here you see the video is available. It's just a video file. So keep in mind it was not an integration of the video, like a snippet, a code snippet that's available in the system. It's just the video file, nothing else. Yes, and that's it about multi-channel publishing and social media sharing. Thank you for watching.